What's going on, guys? Garrett here from Core Performance with yet another one of the many ways that you can set up your IcePlate EXO Gen 3 plate carrier. So this setup is configured for a pararescue loadout. So this is a concept for an Air Force PJ, what it would look like if they were to set up one of our plate carriers. So without further ado, let's jump in to what's on this plate carrier. We'll start at the shoulders as usual. So on the shoulders, we have our Ice Fence Aero shoulder pads, which help with comfort padding and standoff ventilation. On the front here at the top, we have the Juggernaut case with a phone inside of it so that you can use that for ATAC and other communication and location necessities. Then we have a Dynamic Principles triple mag placard up here with 3 5.56 magazines inside of that. We've got 2 JTAC tourniquet holders on either side, and then we have a Blue Force Gear smoke pouch, a Faro Concepts admin pouch here, and a Velocity Systems dangler on the bottom there. Moving on to the side here, we have our ice flask inside of its ice flask wing holster. That's going to give you 16.9 fluid ounces of hydration and also cooling and heating when it's configured in this way so that it's in direct contact with your body. And then on the inside of the Axle Equinox cummerbund, we have our Ice Vents plate carrier ventilation pontoons, which again help with comfort padding and standoff ventilation. Those are mounted to the inside of the front plate bag here as well, and as I said, on either side of the Axle Equinox cummerbund. And then we have our ice plate inside of an IMS Pro Gen 3, so that's going to provide an additional 50 fluid ounces of hydration and cooling and heating right there on your back. Moving on to the back, we've kept it pretty slick because these guys will probably be in helicopters or other vehicles a lot, so they probably don't want a lot on their back when they're leaning up against the seat of the vehicle, and also because they'll typically be carrying a large bag on their back with additional medical supplies. Moving on to this side, we have a GP pouch from Blue Force Gear and a radio inside of a Spiritus Systems radio pouch with a PTT up top here and an antenna. And then also we have our Source 90 drink tube, which connects to ice plate, goes up through the shoulder, and you can use that to take advantage of the chilled water that will be generated once your body dumps excess heat into that ice plate and melts down the ice inside of it so that you can have cooling and hydration all in one platform. And that is going to do it for this build, guys. We hope you found this both informative and enjoyable. Let us know if this looks similar to something that you would set up for your plate carrier, or if you are a pararescue or in any kind of combat search and rescue. Let us know if this looks similar to something that you would run on duty. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay frosty.